In this video, I will show you the basics regarding the construction and the modification of curves. First, I will show you the way of clicking for the function. Then I will show you some practical examples. If you are new by using our software, I show you how to display the data points. Use the corresponding function in the menu display, or alternatively use the hotkey 5. Start the function create curve. Set the points on which the curve is to be constructed by using the left mouse button. Use the right mouse button to delete the last point if you have set it by mistake. In order to finish a curve, you can use the key escape. With the middle mouse button, you have the possibility to make so to say two curves in one. The system creates a connection point between the two curve sections. The connection points are displayed with a small circle if you activate their display in Display Switch. You have the possibility to change a connection point in a curve point and vice versa by using the function modify smooth pin smooth unsmooth. Use the function modify element shape point if you want to move the curve points individually, till you are satisfied with the shape of your curve. The hotkey for this helpful function is B. By the way, you have the possibility with this function to add an additional curve point by using the right mouse button. Now I show you a few examples and will use the Smart Guide tools in combination with the function. Let's draw a curve for a side pocket. Now let's draw a curve for a princess seam. We begin with the straight part of the yoke. Use the middle mouse button for the transition to the curvy part and set then the curve points by using the left mouse button. Let's draw now a yoke for our back piece. We begin with a small segment rectangular to the back middle and use for this again the middle button. Then we click the curve points with the left mouse button. There should be enough points for the curves but not too many. If you want to delete a curve point, you can use the function delete curve point. If once you have too many curve points on a curve, for example after the import of AAMA files, you could use the function modify element general reduce curve points.